Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe. And today we're doing something that I wanted to do a long time ago when we first started this YouTube journey. But I wanted to make buffalo chicken dip. And it's a crock pot recipe that my mother found, I'm pretty sure. And then my dad kind of critiqued it a little bit, but I think my mother found this one. And it's a crock pot recipe. So I'm like, it just didn't feel right to put it out there quite yet. So now that we've been on YouTube for a little over a year now, I decided to go ahead and give it another go. I think we're gonna try and spice it up because, if they can spice it up, then why not us? So let's get started. So very simple, very easy. Like I said, normally this is a crock pot recipe. So when I say that, we put the chicken breasts in the crock pot and then let them cook for a couple of hours and then shred them and then add it. Well, since we don't have that luxury, I got a rotisserie chicken and shredded the chicken myself. So we're gonna go ahead and add everything. I'm gonna get my smoker fired up, and so while we're waiting on that, we'll put this together. And then by the time this is together, we'll be able to throw it in the smoker. Like I said, I got about 4 pounds of chicken, shredded chicken here. And I'm gonna put the recipe over in the corner here while we do this. But I got my chicken here, and it's kind of clumpy right now, but when it heats up and we mix everything back together, then it'll be fine. So I got 2 blocks of cream cheese, okay? Got my 2 blocks. Now we're gonna add about 2 cups of cheddar cheese, okay? And then about 2 cups of Monterey Jack, okay? And then I got some Frank's hot sauce, and I got the wing hot sauce. Sorry, it's in cold smoke mode as it's heating up, so apologies for the blinding smoke, but we're gonna add probably the whole bottle. So this is about a 12 ounce. And honestly, you can add whatever favorite hot sauce you want to it. That's totally up to you. Just gonna add that in there while it gets smoked out. And then, normally you add about 2 tablespoons of ranch. I don't care for it. It kind of dumbs it down a little bit. So if you want to, you can add it. You don't have to, but this is what we got. So once our smoker is done heating up, then we will throw this in here for at least 2 hours, if not an hour and a half. And just kind of keep an eye on it. And we'll give it a good stir and let it go. See you in a little bit. All right, so quick update. I gave it a good stir, and I added some cheddar cheese and some more hot sauce to it, and it's looking divine. So we're gonna let this go till the cheese melts, and then should be another, I don't know, half hour, and we'll have some buffalo chicken dip. All right, so here's our buffalo chicken dip. Let's add some chopped green onion. Make it look nice and pretty so that it doesn't look like spicy mashed potatoes. You know who you are. And bam, there you have it. Let's try it out. All right, so I couldn't find any nacho chips, so I got some Cool Ranch Doritos instead. See if I can find a sturdy one. Oh yeah. There you go. Cheers. This might be my new favorite way to do it. Wow. Don't get me wrong, the crockpot way is spectacular too, but it's got a nice smoky flavor, but it's not harsh. It's not intense. That might have to be my new favorite way I do this now. Sorry, Mom and Dad, but yeah, that's really good. And actually, not gonna lie, with the Cool Ranch Doritos, has a nice touch to it. Also might be my new favorite thing. Highly suggested, but wow, that's really good. If you need something for a party, there you go. There you have it, guys. Smoked buffalo chicken dip. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me how I did, tell me what I should do next, and as always, peace out, guys. Yummy, I'm gonna eat this all by myself.